What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with a major crypto market update. Bitcoin at record highs, going into price discovery. And I also want to bring out here BTCC, which is my main trading platform. If you're just coming into crypto and you want to trade, or if you want to buy lower cap coins, this is the platform to be. I'm going to show you guys here in this video all the campaigns they're having, which is basically free money. Okay, and these campaigns, basically you get bonuses for trading and buying cryptos. The first major one is my personal campaign that they gave me. So shout out to BTCC, which, by the way, if you didn't know, it's KYC free and it's VPN free, meaning you can use this anywhere in the United States. You don't need a VPN, which a lot of them you do, but you don't need with BTCC, and it's KYC free, which means there's no know your customer, which is basically you got to give them your ID and all these informations. Instead, all you need is a password and an email. Obviously, make sure you get 2FA so you can make sure it's secure, but that's all you need. Okay. And using my link, which I'll provide in the pinned comment, you'll be able to get 10% deposit bonus. And I actually messaged them. I contacted them and I said, what's the limit for this? And he told me that the max reward, it's 10K. 10K. So take advantage of this. Obviously, it has to be over 500, which is not that bad. It's not, 500 is not too much to deposit. But if you deposit 1,000, right, 501 plus, you're going to get 10% deposit bonus, which is a really good deal. Now, that's just the beginning one. I'm going to share here the other campaigns that they're having. And they're always having these campaigns, BTCC. You can see this is their user interface. They do have an app, which is super easy to use as well. So the first campaign that they're having is the first futures trade protection right here. It's 17 days, so you still got a lot of times here to register. And again, after you use my link, you make an account. I'm going to put the links in the description. So you guys, it should all be in the app. So it should be pretty easy to find in the app. But if you need more help, I'll put the links in the description. So here, new to futures, trade confidently with 20K USDT protection fund. Complete your first futures trade campaign period, and we'll cover your losses when you close your position. Get up to $50 in trading funds per user. So this is really good. If you're just a beginner into trading and you want to participate in this, you can just register right here, right? And the max loss 50 USDT, and it'll be covered. So you can click right here and trade. Here are some of the rules here. This is till July 30th, right? But this is a great campaign here if you're just getting into trading. The second one here, the first crypto deposit reward. So your first deposit. So again, you're not just getting the reward for my personal reward right here using my link, the 10% bonus. You're also getting this one when you register for this one, which is ending in 4 days or so. So get cash back on your first crypto deposit from 50,000 USDT pool. Okay, and here you can see a deposit around $200, $10 USDT trading funds, which is pretty good. You just click deposit right here. So that's just one of them. Again, moving on to the next one, we have the daily trading challenge. Get up to 30 USDT in rewards. And again, they're having these all the time. So this is not just a one-time thing. This is always recurring. And this is why I'm going to keep you guys updated. The app is great too, because when they have these campaigns, the app will give you like a pop-up and tell you when they have this. So this one is going for 6 days. You register by clicking register right here. After you're already logged into your campaign, right here, 1 qualifying day, 2 USDT, 2 qualifying day, 5 USDT, right? 8, 12, 20, 30. So it's pretty, it's basically free money you guys can earn just by simply trading. If you're trading or you're buying daily, you can do this, and based on the volume and everything, you're gonna get all this USDT, which you can use to buy more crypto or trade more. Okay, and then leverage right here, buy crypto with Visa or Mastercard, get 10 USDT cashback reward. So this is another one, again, to get $10 basically free by simply using Visa or Mastercard, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have either a Visa or Mastercard. And by just simply doing one transaction, you're able to get that 10 USDT cashback reward. So again, guys, take advantage of all this. This is basically free money. And BTCC, again, is a great platform. You can see right here on the futures, right? You can see they have a great futures platform right here. It's much simpler on the app, but here we can see their user interface is really simple. You can add a bunch of indicators. It's very similar. It basically uses the same thing that TradingView does, right? You can add indicators here. It has the same tools as TradingView. And what's amazing too is that they have up to 500x, which is insane. Obviously, it changes for different coins, right? Bitcoin being the highest one, up to 500x. But I mean, 100x is already crazy enough. We can see right here, if I change, this is Bitcoin, but if I change, let's say, to a lower cap coin here, maybe even if you check right here, let's check out here for XRP, I guess, right? We'll check out XRP. And XRP, you can trade XRP, and you can even go to 500x on that as well. So it's insane. But if before you trade, you can also copy trade. So you can go right here to futures copy trading, which is basically you follow, people. You can see people's portfolio, trading portfolio, and you can see, okay, this guy's up 15%, 30-day P&L. Okay, this is 30-day P&L. A lot of these people are doing really well trading, and you can click copy trade. So this one, you press copy trade, and then you put an amount that you have from your portfolio, and based on what their trades, their decision, you basically get money from that, and they get a certain percentage. So that's how they earn money, from a certain percentage. But again, if they do good trades, right, if they're up, certain amount of percentage, you're gonna benefit off of that. It's basically someone trading for you, and they get a small percentage. So copy trading is really, really good here if you're looking to copy someone else's trade that's doing well in the market, right? And BTCC has also been up since 2011. If you guys didn't know, it's an exchange that's been up since 2011 and haven't had any hacks. They've been really good. I mean, for an exchange to be up since 2011 and not have any major issues like that, breaches, hacks, it's a really good thing. They also have proof of reserves, which is super important too, right? We saw what happened last bear market with a lot of coins, a lot of exchanges going under. But yeah, guys, take advantage of this. Again, these campaigns are going on right now for the last 17 days, 5 days or so. And of course, take advantage of the 10% deposit bonus right here, right? Because I do believe with the market going up, with Bitcoin going up to all-time highs, you're going to see a lot of retail coming in. You're going to see all coins blasting off. So this is the time to trade. This is the time to leverage trade. And even if it's a 3x or a 5x, it could be lower leverage. These altcoins, they're going to be going up massively. So you can make a lot of money even with a 3x trade. So take advantage of it. The link will be in the pinned comment, and all the links will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.